What's up, guys? My name is Henry from the company GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside Amrahia. Here, we fix our 6-line electric fence for this very beautiful house. It took us 2 days to finish up this project. Come, let me take you through what we have done so far. So you can see we are protecting the frontage. And then we have this side. Goes to this side. Now, if you look at our fence, we always say there's a scheme to how we do our electric fence. We believe that if you're doing your electric fence, it shouldn't only just be about security. You have to also think about beauty. You have to add some aesthetic value to the house, right? You have to be able to finish your project and then say, yeah, I just added some value to this beautiful house. So you can see there's a scheme to how we do our installation. We use galvanized steel and then 2 bracket, very, very solid and very clean. Now let me show you. Just look at this side. Fence moves to this side, to here, through to the front there. If you have any electric fence project, make sure you give us a call. We're the best guys in the market. We have the best prices. We do the best job. Now, we have deal for every budget and every timeline. What that means is if you're having a project, you can call us. We can fix all the cables and everything inside. When you're ready for us, we install our electric fence. Yeah. And a lot of the guys on the market don't really understand what we are doing. We are the best company so far. Make sure you call GI. Hold up now.